Hi guys, Zan Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with an unboxing of Memory Deck's Obsessed Spring Fling Swap. And I had shown my project video of the banner that I created. I created a Maggie Holmes Flourish banner, and now I received my incoming. So I'm super excited. I went away for the weekend and I received the box, but I wasn't able to open it. So I'm super excited to do this on camera with you guys today. And I am loving the vibe here. So I'm going to open this package here. And I didn't watch the videos only because I wanted to keep it a surprise. And we were required to do a layered banner, 5 trim samples, and that was it. That was it. So everything else was just extra. And I'm so excited. I haven't received a swap in forever, so it's always nice to open some happy mail. And ooh, I love what we got here so far. And I don't see a card in here, but I will leave all of the information down below of the talented ladies. Anna does a wonderful job posting, and our group totally rocked. So sorry for the crinkling, you guys. This is a process. Oh my god, this banner is beautiful. So, beautiful bag of sequins. And let's see. Oh my god, look how pretty this is. So, I'm not sure what paper this is. Wow, there's a lot of sequins stuck on here, but that makes it fun. And, oh wow. Look, so they added a fun dangle on the bottom. And so many pretty layers of flowers. This embossed flower on the side is gorgeous. I love the little like banner piece that you got going on over here. Wow. And the eyelets on top really keep everything super sturdy. I can't wait to hang this in my room. And this is kind of screaming to me because I've been loving pearls. So this whole thing is pearled up. You have accents everywhere on the flowers, on the stems. So pretty. I'm so excited. And then here is the gorgeous trim sample. Oh, okay. So we have 2 little pieces here. Okay, so we have a big one and a little baby one. So we got some eyelash trim on this one. I love the use of little ribbon on top. And then we have this fun sampler here. Got a lot of fun trims, and this is Maggie Holmes one. You can't miss that one. Yay, thank you. And then this bundle of flowers. You know what? I think I might have seen this video. So bundle of flowers is absolutely stunning. Look at all these beautiful flowers. I'm so excited. So thank you for this. I'm just gonna scooch some of the sequins so I can save it for later. Okay, next up I have this package here, and it's wrapped really nicely. So I'm gonna just open this up, and look how cute this tag is. See the flower smiling. I wish I can kind of color like this. Love the use of the paint and the mixed media with the stamping. I need to stamp more. That is hopefully a goal that I can achieve this year. Oh, and look at this beautiful book. Oh my god, you guys. Oh, and this is from Tammy. Hello, Tammy911. And I'll leave, again, all the information to the talented ladies in my group. So pretty. I love this little booklet. I love this button. Ooh, so cute. So extra. Oh, wow. Look at all these embellishments. So we have this beautiful shaker rainbow. Let me see if I can just take this off. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, this bag is sealed up. Okay, I don't want to open it. It's so cute. Beautiful layered bow with the bead dangle. Oh, I love that. This little rose, this, what do you call these? Award banners. So cute, and all the stitch details. And then you got this little rosette embellishment here. I love that butterfly. It's gorgeous. And then, oh, look how cute this is. This little layered rainbow and the use of sequins. That's so pretty. I love that. And then let's see. Oh my goodness. Look how she wrapped the ribbon samples. What a unique way. So she must have those little sealing tools because all these bags are sealed up. But basically she took a chunky butterfly that's all layered up and she wrapped the trim samples on here. What a unique way to share your goodies. I love that. So we have pretty laces. That pink one is so pretty. This neon pink, this blue, so pretty. And then there's a card in here, a rainbow card, which fits the theme perfectly. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you so much, Tammy. And then this must be the banner, which this one I'm going to open because it is the highlight of this whole swap. And we need to showcase this or open this properly. So stuffed in with this, all these beautiful, oh my God, beautiful crinkles. Look how pretty this is. Oh my God, it's so cute. So we have a really cute scalloped banner. And you must have cut like 1,000,000 pieces of paper. It is thick. It is thick. And there's a ton of layers on here. And some really pretty, I think this is the Dollar Tree tool. The shaker hot air balloon is so cute. I think that's a KS craft die. So fun. The bow with the sew detail, so cute, and the little bunny. I love it. And then your beautiful cluster of flowers on the bottom. Absolutely stunning. I love it so much. Thank you, Tammy. And again, you know, if you have the opportunity to join a group swap, I think it's always fun. You get so many different talented ladies in a group, and it's a great way to kind of swap with people you don't really get to swap with as often. So, all right, let's go with the next one. And this I know for a fact is Denise because her ribbon says it all. Her wrapping is impeccable. I'm going to give you that because, first of all, you're so fancy with your printed ribbon. Wow. And then you have her beautiful tag. Love this. Gonna open this up. I love this beautiful tissue paper. But I am very impatient and there's no salvaging this. Okay. Now, I saw her video and I wanted to know how she did this beautiful, oh my God, Denise. So pretty. Okay, so I'm going to open the little, what I'm assuming is the goodie bag first. It's beautiful. Oh, Daiso bag. There's a staple in here. Okay. All right. Got it open. So many goodies. So we have this really fun pen set. Oh, it has all these really positive sentiments. I think these pens are so cute. Love that. Beautiful bling stickers in this pretty pink iridescent. So cute. And a girl, we got candy. So you can never go wrong with candy. Sweet treats are a must in a swap. So I have her beautiful package here and I'm obsessed already. Because I love when people create things on their Cricut. And I'm trying to see how I can open this bag without having to tear it. But if we have to, we have to. Okay, found it. So pretty. Okay, so I'm going to take out the banner just because I want to show you how awesome this little holder is. You guys, so she created this pocket and it's so sturdy. Mu is the good paper. But she created this butterfly shaker and this was all designed on her Cricut. So Denise, I know I asked you already, girl, but I'm gonna need that tutorial because this is beautiful. And sometimes like you just kind of have to watch how they walk through their creative process to create some magic like this, because this thing is so sturdy. I just want to know how you created this pocket. And yeah, you sandwich this. between 110-pound cardstock. Please tell me you're using the Michaels cardstock too, because this thing is sturdy. But anyways, her beautiful layering on the top. And she's using Garden Party, her dangle. And again, her beautiful, she's so fancy. She foiled her label. Look at that. Yes. And we're gonna get over her banner. Look how beautiful this is. Okay, so I'm a sucker for scallop. And I kind of feel like everyone in my group does scallop banners. So I'm loving that. Chipboard layered up. Super pretty. This is her information. And her beautiful Garden Party inspired banner. That is a shaker. I love that. She added all the pretty accents. I kind of feel like this back banner is some kind of thing from, oh, I can't think of the name all of a sudden, but this beautiful, even her Hello Spring with a pearl eye. So pretty. I love it. I love it so much. And I am so beyond blessed with this group. And then we have her fun trim sample, which she did something quite genius. Instead of giving it like as a sample, she created a dangle. See, I'm never going to use this. I'm just going to keep it as is because so pretty. So I love just like kind of holding things like this. It's just fun. So she has a whole bunch of beautiful seam bindings, and I kind of need that yellow seam binding in my life. It's so pretty. She has a pretty lavender in here. Love the use of all of the trims just kind of as a dangle. I think it's so fun. And then she has this beautiful bead dangle up top. So nice. I love it so much. And you guys, can you tell that this was a very successful group swap from all of these talented ladies? I will leave all of their information down below. Again, Anna, thank you for hosting. I'm so happy with the group, and that's it for today, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.